What color is that? What color is the TV? Red. Put it on the red box. What else? Ooh. Ate! Panoorin mo daw siya. Colors, oh. Oh, saan yung color? Blue. Oh, saan yung blue?
Ano color yan?
Blue.
Oh.
Oops.
Color, what's
Is that color blue?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good naman. What color is that? Is that a yellow? Is the electric fan yellow? What color is this? Ifan, oo nga. Anong color yung electric fan?
Green.
Oh, where's the green box? You put it in the green box. Where's the green box? No. Where's yun? Very good.
Tanggol.
What fruit is that?
Correct.
Apple. How about the lemon? What color is the lemon? Yellow. Okay. Okay. Very good. What else? Broccoli. Broccoli. What color is the broccoli? Green. Oh, where's the green box? Saan yung green box? Very good. How about what's that? Is that an apron? Oh, that's an apron. The apron is color green. Very good. What else? Socks. What color are the socks? Blue. Oh, that's correct. Oh, okay. What else? T-shirt. What color is the T-shirt? What's that? Hat. Dyan ba yung hat? Good. Scissors.
Galing naman yan.
Where do you put the scissors? Where's the... Oh,
Up.
is that...
Then.
Yeah, very good. How about this one? Milk. Where do you put the...
Wow.
Wow!